Transform your website into a traffic magnet. Proven techniques for search engine success. Hey there, folks. Welcome to our channel. Are you tired of having a website that doesn't get much traffic? Do you want to transform your online presence and make your website a magnet for potential customers? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to share some proven techniques for search engine success. Stay tuned. First things first, let's talk about the importance of search engine optimization or SEO. It's the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages, also known as SERPs. The goal is to increase the visibility and organic, non-paid traffic to your site. Keyword research is a crucial part of SEO. You need to identify the right keywords and phrases that your target audience uses when searching for products or services like yours. There are several tools available that can help you with this task, such as Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, Moz Keyword Explorer, and more. Once you have your keywords, it's time to create high-quality, engaging, and informative content around those keywords. Remember, content is king. Your aim is to provide value to your visitors and answer their questions. Make sure your content is well-researched, optimized, and easy to read. Link building is another important aspect of SEO. It involves getting other websites to link back to your website, which helps to increase your authority and relevance in the eyes of search engines. You can guest blog, participate in online communities related to your niche, or create resources that others will find valuable and want to link to. With the majority of internet users accessing websites through mobile devices, it's essential to ensure your website is mobile-friendly. A responsive design will adjust according to the screen size, providing a smooth user experience regardless of the device used. Google prefers mobile-friendly sites and will reward them with better rankings. Site speed is a critical factor in user experience and search engine rankings. A slow-loading website can lead to frustrated visitors and a higher bounce rate. Use tools like GTmetrix, Pingdom, or Google PageSpeed Insights to test your website's speed and identify areas for improvement. User experience is vital for both users and search engines. Ensure your website is easy to navigate, has clear calls to action, and provides a positive overall experience for visitors. This includes having a clean design, intuitive menu system, and fast load times. There you have it, folks. By implementing these proven techniques, you can transform your website into a traffic magnet and improve your search engine rankings. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.